Are you looking for the best super multifunction folding fishing chair? In this video we will look at some of the best super multifunction folding fishing chair on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Multifunction Folding Fishing Chair. The foot support height can be adjusted, with anti-skid pads, which provide safe and stable support. Thus the chair can well adapt different terrains, from beaches to grasslands, from wetlands to muddy grounds. No matter in beach outing, camping, fishing or picnic, it will hold you firmly. Durable and practical. Lightweight stainless steel bracket, strong and durable. Wear-resistant nylon fabric seat, 3D mesh fabric design, breathable, and obvious sweat absorption effect. Number 2. Portable multifunction fishing chair. Robust outdoor versatile chair, easy to store and ideal for many uses including camping, sitting in the garden, BBQs, trips to the beach, house gatherings, parties, festivals and outdoor events. Sturdy chair frame. The chair frame material is made of iron metal, with high strength, NG load B capacity, and anti-rust coating on the surface. The sides of the frame are designed to be connected in an X shape, so it is more stable to sit. Number 3. Multifunction Hunting Fishing Chair. Our all-terrain fishing chair is specially designed to adapt to various complex terrains, ensuring you can fish anywhere with ease. Its adjustable and extendable legs, as well as the added aluminium fishing pedals, provide enhanced adaptability and comfort for the wild fishing experience. Multifunctional accessories. This 13-piece set includes basic accessories such as a foldable umbrella stand, fishing rod holder, comfortable foldable backrest, 2 fishing pedals, a magnetic bait tray, a pedal storage bag, 2 60-inch umbrella, 2 swivel wheels. Number 4. Professional Lightweight Fishing Chair. The small camping chair is constructed of a Q195 steel tube stand for greater support to 265 pounds. The compact fishing chair seat surface is made of high-strength tear-resistant 600D Oxford fabric, which is durable and tear-resistant, easy to clean, and the anti-slip pad on the bottom ensures that the lightweight camping folding chairs is not easy to slide even on ice. The small folding chair with cooler provides a storage bag and a cooler bag. The waterproof small cooler bag is well insulated and can provide 5-6 hours of temperature retention for food or beverages up to 12.4 liters. Number 5. Ergonomic Tourist Beach Chairs Camping Set. Package include. You will receive 4 pieces of foldable low-seat bench chairs, each with a carrying bag for storage and transport. Sufficient quantity can meet your various needs. You can share the beach chair with your family and friend. 2. Reliable material. The backpack beach chair is made of heavy-duty steel and 600D Oxford cloth. The strong and sturdy steel structure can support a weight of approximately 265 pounds.